Please to my farm. I'll be really happy.
Oh, we'll do it. Once to your farm, once to Umar's house, once then we'll go to Rushda's America. Yeah, Rushda will take us over there, right? Right? And Ibrahim and Yaya have a huge terrace, so we can camp out over there also. Ibrahim, you're looking smart, huh? With that shirt, tied up button and all. Ooh, cool. Everybody's looking so nice. Oh, wow, Anas. And here comes Mohammed Saqib. And where's the rest of the gang? Yeah, that's a white wolf, right? Fantastic. Mohammadi. Ooh, Mohammadi, cool. You know, you could go for a shampoo advertisement now, right? Okay. So I hope you have all the materials with you, which I asked you to get it today. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
We all have. So can we start? Batul and Abdullah, could we have your videos on, please?
Ma'am, where you had put the dash, it could be any one of them.
No. Oh, yeah, where I put a stroke. Yeah. You know, like this. Like this. So it would be any one of them. Okay. So I'll just show you what I have. Okay, right now. I'll just turn it. Yeah.
Ma'am, Shabana ma'am, can you tell what we have to bring again?
Ma'am, Shabana. Ma'am.
Shabana ma'am, can you tell again what we have to bring?
Okay. Which will be
Stone.
Right?
तो ऐसे वाले ऐसे और वो अभी ये दिया ना अभी नहीं वो मोटा ऐसा वाला है
Just mute.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, these jars are okay like this. This.
Ma'am, we can't hear you. Shabana ma'am, these 3 glasses. We can't hear you.
Ma'am, these 3 glasses are okay.
Ma'am, these 3 glasses are okay. Shabana ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Just a minute.
Now we can. Ma'am, see.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
These glasses are okay.
All glasses are okay. Now let's. Yeah.
Ma'am, I bought jars.
It's fine. Even I've got a glass, I've got a jar, and I've got even a bowl. So it's perfectly fine. Anything of shapes and sizes.
What these? Ma'am, you were told to get a bowl.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is fill one cup of water.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Water. Please.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay, just a minute.
Ma'am, when you're turning the camera to you, we can hear.
Okay, and now can you hear me? Now can you hear me?
No,
No.
ma'am. No.
I'm not hearing. Your voice is very low.
I have my headphones on, don't worry. Can you just mute everybody, please? Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now all you got to do is fill a glass of water. Okay, a cup of water.
Ma'am, we can't.
Ma'am, this cup is okay.
Ma'am, I'll
Ma'am, this cup is okay.
You hear me now?
Yes, Shabana ma'am, this cup is okay. And when are you turning your
Okay.
camera? No.
Okay,
Then
now
we can't.
I put the headphones on. Now you can hear me even when I turn the
Yes.
camera. Can you hear
Yes.
me now?
Ma'am, is this cup okay?
Yes, everything is all right. It doesn't matter. I
Ma'am,
don't
we have to pour water in all the cups.
just one cup right now. Just one.
Ma'am, what we want to do?
Juveria, can you hear me clearly now? Can I have a thumbs up? Okay, fantastic. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm sitting in the car.
Now,
Ma'am, one full cup.
cup is okay.
now a water in
Pass
your
करेगा, छोड़ने का इसको।
Ma'am, we
glass.
can't hear you.
Okay, in your glass. Just fill the water in your glass. Okay.
जाके भरेगा।
Ma'am, the extra one
Ma'am,
cup or the 3 jars?
No, just one glass, the bigger
Ma'am,
one. Where is
What
your
we want to do? Tell first. I don't listen.
Where you'll put water, a cup of water in glass. Okay, in your glass or your jar or your bowl. Okay.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, and once you fill it, okay, don't fill the full part, okay, just mark over there using a marker pen or a sketch pen. Till where you fill the water, just mark it over there. Can we do that?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, I just came, so can you explain again?
Just take a jar, okay, and fill water. And once you fill the water, you just mark till where your water level is there. Is that okay? Can everybody do that? Okay, Hamdan, Batul, please, your camera on. Abdullah,
This jar is okay.
perfect. Any is okay. Perfect. Fill some water in it, 1 cup, you know, and have that measurement with you. If you're filling this 1 cup, then only it's this 1 cup, okay? And just mark over here. Can you see the level? I've marked it. You do it at your end, okay? Now, once you've done that, what I'm going to do is, okay. Remember I asked you one small potato or a stone and tied to a string?
I'm like
Remember?
this.
Yeah. Now we put that into the water. Have you put it in the water?
Ma'am, the water came above the mark.
Yeah. And now I want you to mark again where's the level of the water. Okay. So if you can see, I've got 2 markings. One was the earlier level and now, yeah. Right? Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain again from the starting? I did not hear.
Put water in a jar or a cup or a
I have put
mug.
water.
Yeah. And now mark over here. Mark over here. You have to mark where the water level is and then insert your solid in there and then you're going to mark it up. Okay. So you'll have 2
What
levels
solid,
of water. I asked you to tie either a potato or a stone to a string.
Ma'am, what solid?
A potato or a stone to a string and then put it in the water.
Little bit up.
Okay.
It is only a little bit up.
So water level went up. So you will mark again the new water level for me. Okay, you're going to mark it again over here.
Ma'am, I marked 2 water.
Perfect. So what do you understand by this experiment? What did you understand? Tell me.
Solid takes place.
Well done, Umar. Solid takes space. See? Even solid takes space. When I'm not putting it over here, the water level is low. But when I put the solid in water, the water level goes up. So this is one thing we learned, that solid takes space. Okay, fantastic. Now, do you remember any story like this where the water level was very low and then it came up?
Thirsty crow.
Yes, ma'am, the thirsty crow.
Fantastic. The thirsty crow. Brilliant. See, you know what? He already knew science. Crow knew science that, stones, solid, take up space. So that's the reason he put the stones in there, and automatically what happened? The water level came up. Okay, fantastic. Now I want you to pay attention over here once. Okay, right? Because this is one thing which only I have, okay, and I'm not asked you all to get it. So just look at me over here, okay? Now what is this?
A weighing machine.
Weighing machine.
My God, you all are so
Weighing machine.
Weighing scale.
you all are very brilliant. Okay, this is a weighing machine scale. Okay, and it's at which, what is it showing the weight right now?
0.
Fantastic. It's
Zero.
0. Okay. You know, now what I'm going to do, where is that weight of mine? Okay, now I'm going to take this stone of mine, which I put in water, and I'm going to place it over here. Okay. Did it change?
Yes.
Did it change? How much is it for now? How much it is show?
2? No. Something like.
Something like. Okay, I'll tell you. It shows 1 kg. Oh my God, it was 1 kg. Superb. No, not 1 kg. It's 100 grams. Okay, not even 10 grams. Okay, so it is 100 grams. That means, okay, can we just mute? Somebody is talking out here. I'll just mute just a minute. Okay. Right. Okay. So what do we learn by this? What do you learn by this experiment now?
That solid has space.
Solid has mass. Solid has a weight also.
Very good. Solid has mass. Okay, solid has weight. Right. When I did the water thing, I learned that solid takes up space. When I did the measurement thing, I learned that the solid has mass. Okay. Now for one more one. Yeah. Okay. Now I want you all to fill again 1 cup of water and put it in another glass of yours. Okay. The same amount of water like you did earlier.
But I directly poured it.
Oh, no. You'll have to measure it. The reason is because I need to do an experiment. Okay. So in that, it is very important that we have correct measurements. Just make sure the amount of water you've taken in your first jar or your first container is same amount you're taking in the rest 3. Okay, so all 3 will have the same quantity of water. Am I clear now?
We have to fill third jar also. Third glass also.
Okay, am I clear enough?
Ma'am, we have to fill all the 3 jars.
Yeah, all the 3 jars or all the 3 containers, but the quantity will be the same that you put in the first container. Yeah, same quantity. So just remember that you keep either you take a cup or a glass or a bottle for your measurements. It's perfectly fine, but you need to have same quantity. Okay, are we done, everybody?
Yes.
Where's Omar? Omar, I can't see you.
All the ma'am, we have to do all.
All 3. All 3. Yeah, all 3. Yeah. You know, you all are looking like those scientists in the laboratories, working, taking measurements and putting in there. You're looking so cool. Rashda, I want your video on, please. Hamza, Hamdan, I want everybody's video on.
We have
please.
to mark also.
No, you need not mark, because here we're going to learn something different. We are learning all the properties of solids, okay?
I'm filling all the glass.
Fantastic. But the same quantity. Okay, Umar? Aisha, done? Who all have done? Just show me a thumbs up, please.
Ma'am, I have this container. I am putting my water in this and then I am putting.
Brilliant, Hamza. Brilliant. Fantastic. So that you have equal quantity in all your containers. Brilliant. Yes. Okay, Yahya's done. Who else is done? Yeah, Hamza is done. Okay, who else is done?
I'm also done.
Yo, Ibrahim, cool. Yeah, you've done. Okay.
Ma'am, me too.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah, okay. Now, you know what we're going to do? If you've done with the water in all three, yeah?
Ma'am, I'll put water in all three, but I only put rock in one.
Yeah, very good. It's all right, Aisha. It's perfect. It's perfect. Okay. Now, when I've put the water in all three, are we done, all of us? You see, my rock has become a pendulum. Tick, 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 tick.
Ma'am,
I'm
Ma'am,
gonna
I didn't
hypnotize
tie
y'all.
my rock to
You know, I'm
the
gonna
string.
hypnotize y'all. Right, you all are going to listen to me now and do whatever I say. Ooh. Look at that. Yaya is hypnotizing me by doing that. Yeah.
Ma'am, why you told us to get a bowl?
And Umar is also doing it. I'll tell you why later. It's in a further exhibit. Even Umar is hypnotizing me. That's not fair, okay? I'm going to hypnotize you all and you all are hypnotizing me. That's not done. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, one by one, I'm going to put my rock in each of my containers. Okay. And I'm going to see what is happening. See, I'm putting it over here. Okay. My rock is the same. I'm putting in the second one. And I'm putting in the third one as well. Okay.
Ma'am, we
Now-
have to do that.
Yes, you have to put your rock or your potato and whatever solid object you're using, you have to put it in all three of your containers. And then you will tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have to measure.
Yes, you have to measure it as well. You have to measure it as well.
It magnifies so much.
You will just mark it again on all three containers before putting the solid and after putting the solid.
Ma'am, what do you want to do? I don't understand. My network problem is that.
No problem, Humaira. Once you fill water in all your three containers, after that, you're going to put the your solid in all three containers. And again, you're going to mark what is the difference in the level. Okay?
मैम पहले हमने वो ग्लास में किया वैसे ही करना है.
The way you did in the class, Humaira, same quantity of water you're going to put in other two containers as well. Okay, Rashda,
Okay.
are you done? What did you find out? Whoever is done, please tell me. What did you realize? You need to
Ma'am, in every
The water
jar,
rises.
glass or ball, the quantity level rises when we put the rock or the pebble.
Okay. Okay, fantastic. All the containers, the water level rises. But Rashda, tell me, is the water level rising in the same amount or in some
And the
jars?
same amount it rises.
The same amount.
Fantastic. It rises in the same amount. And by any chance, did the shape of your solid change?
No.
Did it
No.
change? Like
No.
maybe when I
No.
put in this, my solid was small. Okay. When I put in this particular container, my solid was small. Or maybe when I put in this,
doesn't
No.
change.
in this round container, it became round, my solid. Did it change?
No.
No, it changed. Perfect, perfect. So what do you learn by this experiment? Yes? Anas, what do you learn?
has the same amount.
Anas, please tell me what do you learn?
The shape of solid does not change.
Fantastic, Abdullah. The shape of solid does not change. Fantastic. Okay. And what else do you learn? Hamdan, where are you? Please come back to me. I remember I hypnotized all of you with using this solid.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, this very big jar is that much filled when I put the rock. This medium one is full,
Okay.
and the smallest one is very less.
Very good, Aisha. So in all the cases, the water level went up. Okay, in all the cases, the water level went up. Fantastic. And what happened? The water level went up in the same quantity. In the same quantity. Like in this jar, it went up 100 ml. So even in this, it went 100 ml. And even in this, it went up 100 ml. So irrespective of whatever shape or whatever jar container I put my solid, the water level rose up was the same quantity. Okay. So there were two things we learned from when one, like Abdullah said, what is it? That solid has a definite shape. The shape of the solid does not change. And what is the other thing you learned? Come on, guys, I need this answer.
Also has a fixed volume.
Very good, Ibrahim. Everybody, please clap for Ibrahim. I was looking for this answer.
That solid takes space.
Solid takes, that we did it earlier. In the first experiment we did, solid takes space. Second experiment we did, solid has mass. Third experiment we did is solid has a definite, a fixed shape, and solid also has a fixed volume. Now, what do I mean by volume?
Volume? No, volume.
Is that
means
volume?
Space means
Okay, how high can you raise your volume? Tell me.
capacity.
How high can you raise your volume? Come on, everybody, go. Unmute yourself and tell me how high you can raise your volume. My God, look at that. Yeah. Go on, Juwaria, Mohammed Mohammadi, Aisha, Aga, Kazi, everyone. You know, it looks like, you know, we are having a class on and aliens are coming running after us. And that's the reason they're screaming. Come on, I want more volume from others. Rashda, I want that American accent volume. Go on. Mohammed, Saqib, and Batul, I want that Middle East volume. Go on. What's your volume? There he goes away. When I tell him Mohammed Saqib just goes away. That's not fair. Okay, right. Joeria, I want your cute volume, yours and Aisha Kazi's. You know, y'all are so cute. Go on. Okay, Aisha Aga. I'm sure you have the loudest volume. Go on, Aisha Aga. Show it to them. What's the volume? Unmute yourself first, please. Aisha Aga. Okay, I think she's taking time. All right. Anyways, what is volume in science? See, volume for us is like, you know, when we scream and screech, right? Not that volume. When we talk about volume, yes.
The capacity.
Very good. Volume is nothing but the capacity. That means actually the quantity, right? You measure it. Like, you know, the quantity the matter takes. That is your volume and nothing else. Volume is like only the amount of space the matter takes. Like solid over here, it took the same amount of space over here in this glass also. It took the same amount of space in this glass also. And it took the same amount of space in this jar also. So your volume is nothing but the amount of space that solid took. Okay. No problem, Mohammed Saqib. It's perfectly fine. You know, I'll make you scream and screech once. Don't worry. Okay.
It is like even if the rock or the potato is hollow, after it goes in the water, the inner part will not get wet.
Yes. Okay, Juveria, I couldn't hear you, Juveria. Please, could you unmute yourself and say?
Ma'am, in the smallest glass, it just overflowed.
So why? Because the glass was small. But remember one thing, the space that the solid occupies in whichever container is the same. There is no difference. Though the glass was so small, that's the reason, you know, it overflew. Even this small glass overflows, Juveria. So it's all right, yeah? So it doesn't matter. When teachers goof up, right? Okay. So remember this amount, how I came to know that the space occupied by solid in any container was same, because the level of increase in the water was same in all the containers. Okay. So are we
Ma'am,
okay with this?
Ma'am, when I checked the weight, the space of the potato and the cup, they both weigh the same. Like when I put
Yay!
them in the different jars, the water
Brilliant.
level rises the equal amount.
Brilliant, brilliant. Okay, so now over here, when I'm going to ask you, okay, can you read this? Okay. So
Solid
for solid, the first one is what?
space.
Is solid.
So does solid take up space?
Mass.
Okay, first answer me. Does the solid take up space? And does it take up
Yes.
fixed
Yes.
space? Fixed space? So I'm going to write over here
Yes.
fixed. Okay, I'm writing it out here. Now mass. Does solid have mass?
Yes.
Remember we had that
Yes.
measuring machine, okay? And in that mass, again, the mass, the weight is fixed. So I'm going to write an F out here. Okay. Right. Now, does the solid have volume?
Ma'am, what means
Yes.
F,
Fixed.
F is fixed. F doesn't mean it failed. Don't worry. Solid did not fail. Okay. Solid did not fail. F is fixed. That means it has fixed mass. It has. Please. Sorry, mute yourself, and when you need to answer, that time you unmute, otherwise the voice is echoing. Okay, so when in solid, when you have the solid has a fixed space, so I wrote F. The solid has a fixed mass, so I wrote F. Right? The solid has a fixed volume.
Yes.
Right? Remember, because in all the containers, the amount, the space it occupied was the same. So I am going to write an F. And what about the shape? Does it have a fixed shape?
Yes. Yeah.
Unless I'm going to
Yes.
heat it or I'm going to freeze it, that we'll do later. Again, more experiments. But till now, it was fixed. So what do I learn? I learned that my solid has a fixed space, it has a fixed mass, it has a fixed volume, and it has a fixed shape. Done? Everybody? Yeah? Okay, now I'm going to go one level ahead. Okay. You all can note down your observation later. Okay. Can I have the water again back out here?
Ma'am,
Now
what
we have to do the water. We have to put our water in the bowl.
Okay. Now you tell me one thing. When I'm okay, can I just put water out here in this bowl? Okay. Now, just watch over here. This glass is empty, okay? And I'm filling in the water. So does water occupy space? Yes or no?
Yes.
It has occupied space, right?
Yes.
Is everybody
Yes.
with occupied space?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to weigh it. Okay, of course, the glass measurement is also going to be there, right? But does water have mass?
No.
Okay.
I do not have weight.
Yes, ma'am. It has
Yes,
mass.
ma'am. It has mass.
Okay, how
Only when it's poured
how
into
many
a
say water
container.
has mass and how
Ma'am,
many
only
water
when
does
it's
it?
poured into a container, it has mass. Like we can weigh.
No, but if I put it directly in this also without the container, if I'm going to put in this also directly, it will weigh, right? It will weigh. Okay, now tell me one thing. Example, okay? Just a minute. Okay, how many of y'all tell me it has mass? Water has mass. How many of y'all can tell me?
Ma'am, you are
How many say
muted.
yes? How many say yes? Oh, hi. Hello. Look at that. That's a cute mass out there, Umar. Your youngest brother. Okay. Right?
And mass means weight, na?
Mass is weight. There's a bit of difference which I'll teach you all later, not now. Okay. So how many of y'all say water has mass? Yes, Mohammadi? Whether does it have mass? Yes or no?
Ma'am, water does have mass.
Does have. Okay.
Now tell me one thing. This can, okay, it weighs about 100 grams, okay, because it is empty. But if I fill water in it, won't it become heavy?
Yes.
It will become heavy.
Yes.
The weight of the can is just 100 grams. But when I'm going to fill water in it, it's going to become very heavy. So where did that heaviness come from? Your liquid, your mass, right? So that means your liquid also has mass. Got it, everybody? Aisha, Kazi, I hope you would understand. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Now, one more thing. Okay. The final thing. I want you all to do an experiment. You're going to do what, you know? You're going to pour water from one glass to another, which you love doing, right? Go on. There you go. And there I go. Go on. Just try it and just observe what is happening.
We have to add our,
Ma'am, we have
our
to.
waters into one container.
Yeah, you can put from one container to another container. I want you all to put water from one container to another container.
But
So look-
it will overflow then, ma'am.
no, you need not overflow it. You just put only till it reaches the half of it. Go on, just put it. I want water in each container, at least half.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how.
Just fill water in all three containers. Just fill it.
Ma'am, all are filled.
All of it, you need not fill it.
Larger glass.
Done.
You need not fill it full.
I added my full water. See,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
they are this much, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
have you done it?
Ma'am, see this much.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
All three containers. Okay. Well done. Now, what do you realize?
should be equal.
You can put it equal also. You can put it. It's up to.
Can you see?
Yes, Ibrahim. What were you saying? Your voice is breaking, Ibrahim. I think this is not there.
Ma'am, I actually this flat's internet connection is poor.
Okay, okay. But
Ma'am,
I
can
hope
you see this?
Yes, I can see it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
can
I
you
will
see
draw.
it? All the three containers are the same amount of water.
Okay. What is happening over here? Okay. Have you all done it?
Ma'am,
See, narrowest jar, it is full. When I pour my potato in,
Okay. Now no more solids. We are doing liquids now. No more solids. Okay. Now can everybody see my
I'm not
containers? Now can you see all of them? Okay.
yes.
Okay.
very
Now
much awesome.
when you fill the container, what happens? What shape does the water take?
At the shape of the container.
Fantastic.
The
That
shape
means
of the
does
container.
water have a fixed shape?
No.
It doesn't have a fixed
Um,
shape. Okay. Now I have a
No.
tricky question for you all because I know you all can solve it. You can see all three of my containers. Yeah,
Yes.
right. You can see all three. You can see the water level in all three of my containers. Okay. Should I put like this so you can see it more clearer? Okay. Can you see it? Now tell me which of my container has more water in it. This is container number 1, which is closer to my machine, weighing machine. This is number 1. This is number 2 and number 3.
Number 3.
Okay, show me
Ma'am,
by your
all-
fingers. 1,
Ma'am,
2 or 3. You got it?
Ma'am, all
This
of
is
them-
1, 2 and 3.
Ma'am, all the containers have the
The
same.
third, no, the
One,
first
one.
one.
Okay, Yahya says
The first
3.
one.
Muhammad Saqib says all
Ma'am,
same.
all of them have
All
the same.
I need you to show your fingers.
it again? Ma'am, can you show it
Yes, I'll show it again. I want everybody to show you the fingers on the screen, okay? That's 1, that's 2,
All
and that's
are
3.
same. Ma'am, all are same.
All are same. Okay, one is Juveria is saying 1, Rushda is saying 1. Okay. Okay, then whom do we have? Okay. Somebody is saying 2. Okay, and some of them are saying 3. Okay. 3. Others is also saying 3. You know what happens is like because so happens that water takes shape of the container, you know. So the amount of water you put, it depends on what size the container is. So usually what happens is the container which is long, okay, and tall, like, you know, in that you will feel there's more water, right? The container which is round and broad, there you will feel the water is less, the liquid is less. And over here also you'll feel that way. But in all the 3 containers, there was same quantity of water. Okay, so all the 3 containers had same quantity of water. So next time when you go in a restaurant or when you go in a shop to buy something, and if you see it in a long glass, don't think you're getting more juice, okay? Don't think you're getting more milkshake or juices or more perfumes. It's the same which is there in this, and it's the same which is in this. It's just because the water takes the shape of the container, that's the only reason it will appear to look more in quantity or less in quantity. Got it? Yeah. Oh, Patul, oh, we are having many guests today. So what did you learn from this experiment? Tell me, everybody.
That liquid takes the shape of the container it is poured
Fantastic.
in.
And
Does
does
it
liquid
have
have a fixed shape. The liquid does not have a fixed shape.
okay, it does not have a fixed shape. Very well done. What else?
It has a fixed volume.
Liquid has a fixed volume. Why? Because I took the same amount of water, right? I took the same amount of liquid and I put in all the 3 containers. All 3 containers have 1 cup of water. It's just because it does not have a fixed shape. It took a different shape. So got it, everybody? Any confusion? Questions?
No.
Ma'am,
Yes? Who's Ira Kazi?
ma'am,
I'm done.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
Hamza?
learned that if you make the liquid molecules with the solid molecules,
Mhm.
the solid takes its own space and increases the liquid a bit above.
Perfect. That's what we did in our first experiment of the solid, right? That when we inserted the solid in water, automatically the water went up. And that's how my thirsty crow so smart solved it. Okay. So now I'll just write this down. Okay. What did we learn over here for the liquids? Does liquid have space? Does liquid have space? Does liquid take space? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
We saw that. Why? Because it was filled in the containers. It takes a fixed space. Does
Ma'am,
liquid have...
see like this.
It's fantastic, Aisha. Aga. Does liquid have mass? Does it have weight?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
We saw it out here, right? We saw it out here in particular
And
that
ma'am,
it does have weight. Liquid does have weight. Fantastic.
Yes.
Does it have volume?
no.
Does it have
No.
volume?
No.
No.
Liquid doesn't have volume? Then how is it filling up my space out?
Ma'am, it has volume. Yes, it does.
Yes.
It does, right? Liquid does have volume. That's
Ma'am.
the reason it is filling up the space. See, what is volume? Volume is nothing but the amount of space that a matter takes.
Ma'am,
Yes, you are here?
liquid has mass, na?
Yes, it has mass. Remember, I told you this oil cans that you carry.
And shape.
Shape will come later. Will come later.
Ma'am,
Yeah, you will come to shape later.
ma'am, in space, it is also there, na? In space
Space is also
there.
fixed in there in liquid. Mass is also fixed in liquid. What about the volume? Volume is also fixed in the liquid because the amount of space it takes is the same. The only thing that is not fixed is the shape. Okay, so the shape is not fixed. So what will you say for not fixed? Give me a word for not fixed shape. Yeah. Rashta, give me a yes. Okay, NF. Okay, NF. It is not right. So only the shape is different for solid and liquid. In solid, the shape is fixed, and in the liquid, it is not fixed. Okay.
Ma'am, we are done with the experiment.
Yeah, we're done with the experiment. Now, last for the gas. Okay, we'll see the properties of gas. Okay, so this is my balloon in here. Okay, it's okay. I didn't ask you all to get a balloon because getting it for everybody is not possible. Okay, now did this take up space? Did gas take up space? Yes or no? Does gas
Yes.
take up space?
Yes.
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 Okay, Rushda is showing me a thumbs up. I don't know whether
Yes.
she's trying to shoot me or whether she's showing me that yes, you're right, ma'am. What is it, Rushda? Are you? Oh, you're shaking hands with me. Yeah, okay. Okay, Omar. Omar, does gas have shape? Sorry, space. Does gas take up space?
Yes.
Yes, gas takes up space. And for that,
Yes.
we're going to do an experiment.
Yes.
Okay. What are we going to do? I want you all to take a bowl. Okay, fill it with water. Fill it with water, everybody.
The whole?
No, 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 not the whole.
The
Otherwise
whole-
it will overflow. No, no, not the whole thing, just the half of it. So when I took this
Only
bowl
the half.
and I filled the water with it,
Okay.
so the liquid took up space in the bowl. Am I right? The liquid took up space in the bowl.
Yes.
Perfect,
Like
everybody?
this, ma'am.
Yes, just fill half of the water. That's fine. Just fill half of the water. So when I filled water in it, what did the liquid do? The liquid took up space in the bowl. Okay. Now, remember I asked you to get a glass. Yeah, a glass, everybody.
Yes.
Okay. You're
Yeah,
going to
ma'am,
just
I got
put
a
the-
cup.
It's
It's okay.
okay. You can just put the glass straight in there. Just put it straight. Don't bend it. No angles, nothing. Just straight in there. Just put it straight right now. And then you
Ma'am, like this or like this? Ma'am, like this or like this?
the open part is inside.
Ma'am, the
The
bubbles
open part
here.
is inside. The open part is inside. And then once you immerse it in water, just
And
slightly
the bubbles
angle it.
came.
What
The
happened?
bubbles came.
What?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
the bubbles came, right? And when the bubbles come, see, you can do it with a straw also. Remember, you do
when
it
I
like this
bath,
with a
ma'am,
straw.
Ma'am,
the air was taking place.
See, if I'm
Ma'am,
blowing,
when I bath,
if I
I
blow
play
the
with
straw
it.
like this, the gas is passing to you. When I put the straw in water and I do like this, can you see the bubbles? So what is happening? That the gas is taking up space in the water. The way we had the solid taking up space in the water, we
Ma'am,
also
the
have,
water get heavy.
oh, yes, the water, the
That
gas is
type
taking up,
magnet.
the gas is taking up space in the water again. See, like the solid, even the gas takes up space in water. Okay, don't do this while drinking your milk or your milkshake or your juice, and especially not in the restaurants and public. Others, your moms and dads will come after me. What are you teaching our kids, you know? Right? So what did we learn by this experiment? That gas also takes up
Ma'am,
space.
I play with it in the bath.
Okay, wow. So now you can understand even the bath we do that, right? So gas takes up space. Okay. Now I want to do one more experiment. Julie, she's already doing it. So now you understand even the gas is doing what? It is taking up space. Okay. Now I need Farhana, your help. Please, could you just light this candle for me and get it? Switch off the fan and close this, please.
Ma'am,
Okay.
experiment.
Okay, one more experiment I'm going to show you. You all will have to pay attention because this will happen real fast and it will just go away. Okay, right? And then we'll end for the session because we're a bit late today, but I need to finish this today. Yeah. So this is my jar. Okay, and I'm going to put a burning candle into it. Yeah. So just a minute, please. Once Farhana comes, then we'll do it. You need one more candle, Farhana? Yeah, come here, put in this. Can you see this candle over here? And I'm
Yes.
closing the jar now. Okay, so when I close the jaw, what happens? Okay, I need a bit more of it. If you can see the fumes, could I have a paper in there? I can just burn, just a minute. I could burn a paper and get it, please. I'll try with my matchstick out here. Okay, just give me a minute, please, everybody. I'll do it. Just a minute.
Ma'am, ma'am, we can do this type also now.
Okay, this is the last experiment and then we're done for the day. I want you all to write your observations and then you're going to show it to me the next time. Yeah?
मैम वो जार में हमें पानी डालना है.
No, you don't have to put water in the jar.
We want to put only paper.
Just a minute, I'll come. Just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
No, you don't have to put anything. Okay, I burnt the
Mom,
paper
it's
in
okay,
there.
ma'am.
Yeah, I
Ma'am.
burnt the paper, and if you see, it didn't burn. Okay, and then when I close the lid, because of no oxygen, you can see the gas out here. Can you see the gas, the white fumes in there, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what will happen? Okay. Could you just mute yourself, please, everybody? Okay. Now what is going to happen is I'm just going to make a hole out here. Okay. And now can you see the
Ma'am.
gas is being transferred in the
Ma'am,
bottle up
it
here?
is, ma'am, it is okay if it comes out.
Now the gas is being transferred in the bottle up here. So that means the gas does not have any fixed shape and it does not have any fixed volume. Aisha, don't do that. Aisha, please, you don't do that. This is done by me only. Yeah, the matchstick one. Yeah. So please, you need not do that. Yeah. Okay. So what happens when it is gas? In gas, what is there? You have in the gas you have a gas has space, it takes up space, it has mass, but it does not have a fixed shape and it does not have a fixed volume. Okay, so now with this we end our session. I want each one of you to write your observations of solid, of liquid and gas and send it to me on the Google Classroom. Got it, everybody?
Ma'am, can you show it again of gas? Means that
No, yeah, we're ending the session. I'm already taken 5 minutes more. We'll do this again next time. Okay? If the time permits, I'll do it again next time, or maybe down the line the session will take it. Okay? Right? So with this, we end our session. I want all of you to write the properties of solid, liquid, and gas, seeing the experiment we did today. The parameters are just
Ma'am, can you
4.
send it on Google Classroom?
Yeah, I'll do it on Google Classroom, and based on those parameters, you're going to send it to me, and you're going to tell me even why. Why? Okay, you'll have to give me the reason also. I'll send you an example on Google Classroom. So thank you so much, everybody. I had fun doing the experiment with you. Did you guys enjoy? Okay, then bye.
Yes, ma'am.